In this video, I will explain you how to do the pin, taper pin and collar. Pin dimensions are as follows. C is the head diameter, that is 45 mm. Thickness of the head is considered as E, that is 15 mm. Total length of the pin is E 15 mm plus B capital B 22.5 plus F 45 plus again B 22.5 plus E 15 mm plus this height we will consider extra as 15 mm. So total is 135 mm. Open a solid part modeling. Select front view, means front plane. Take a line command. From origin point, draw one vertical line of height 135 mm, angle 90 degree. Enter. Next, diameter D1 is 30 mm. Let us take off of it. 30 divided by 2 is 15 mm. Next, this is 135 minus E, that is 135 minus 15 mm. 135 minus 15, that is 120 mm. Again draw an horizontal line of C is 45. 45 divided by 2 is 22.5 minus 15. 22.5 minus 15, that is 7.5 mm. Drop down, draw join to the origin point. Now select isometric view, select revolve base, select the sketch, accept, select this vertical line. Okay, so this is our pin. Next step, observe carefully. We have to select the plane. Select the front plane, front view. Control F is front view. Select line command. From exact center point, draw one vertical line. Draw one vertical line of we are going to do one pin slot. Here we can see here. So diameter of the pin is considered as 6 mm. So total height of this is 15 mm. So 15 minus 6 divided by 2, half of this is 3 mm. So 15 minus 3, that is considered as 12 mm. So draw one horizontal line from exact center of 12 mm. 12 mm minus 90, enter. Next, draw one horizontal line of a length. From top view we can see capital D is capital D is 60 mm. So draw a length of 60 mm, capital D. Okay. Next, select a line. Select a move command. Select this line from the exact center point. Join to this end point. Now delete this. We can delete this line we have taken for reference. From this point, draw one vertical line of 6 divided by 2, that is 3 mm. Now let us consider the taper angle is 1 is to 50. Consider 1 is to 50. So length is capital D. So capital D is 60 mm. 60 divided by 50, that is 1.2. 6 minus 1.2 is 4.8. So other side is 4.8. Draw one vertical line. 4.8 divided by 2, that is 2.4. Draw one inclined line. So here we can see this is a inclined line. Now select isometric view. Sketch is in the exactly on the plane, front plane. Now select revolve cutout. Okay, revolve cut. Select the sketch, accept. Select this baseline. Okay, so this is the pin.